effective until 7 p.m. Central Eastern. This watch includes the following counties: in Tennessee, Bedford, Kenner, Coffee, Grundy, Marshall, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson,
I am in it!
Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damage in winds and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, until 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from land between the lakes to near Big Sandy, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 4:05 p.m., trees were reportedly blown down in Callaway County, Kentucky with this line of storms. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dover, Erin, Clarksville, Tennessee Ridge, Big Rock, Cumberland City.
I guess you could say it's public
lakes,
recording.
Houston County Airport, Indian Mound, and Woodlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Big Rock to near Waverly, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Dixon, Waverly, Erin, McCune, Tennessee Ridge, Big Rock, Charlotte, Van Leer, Cumberland City, Sladen, Palmyra, Woodlawn, Indian Mound, and Cunningham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Perry County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:47 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles southeast of McCune to 6 miles southeast of Decaturville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hohenwald, Centerville, Linden, Noble Hill, Gordonsburg, Bon Aqua, Humans, Pinewood, Pleasantville, Lyles, Nunnally, and Bucks North. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh, hello.
County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Tennessee, County in Middle Tennessee, Western Northeastern in Middle Tennessee, County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, thunderstorms were located. 3:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Guthrie to Centerville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Franklin, Springfield, Dixon.
Oh, Clay, if you're watching.
Brentwood, Greenbrier, Forest Hills, Coopertown,
That's for you.
White Bluff, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Pegram, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Burns, Fairview, Bellevue, Jolton, and Pleasant View.
Let's see how my live stream is doing. I'm doing a live stream right now, but let's see how it's doing.
PM Central Standard Time this evening. Winds sustained. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Western Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Western Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Eastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:24 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Cross Plains to Leapers Fork, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Franklin, Gallatin, Lebanon, Springfield, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Smyrna, Brentwood, La Vernie, Spring Hill, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Nolensville, and Forest Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Simpson County in south-central Kentucky, southwestern Allen County in south-central Kentucky, until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Portland, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pope, Fleet, Durow, Clare, Geddes, McElroy Ford, Mount Ariel, Pettenville, Alonzo, and Chapel Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage.
Holy mother! Tornado warning for Rutherford County.
The National Weather Service has issued a thunderstorm warning for southeastern Davidson County, northwestern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, southern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Central Standard Time. At 4:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Rural Hill, or 14 miles southeast of Nashville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
I might get a super thunderstorm from Huntsville now.
Rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. highs in the lower 60s. Wednesday, windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage.
Oh my god.
This dangerous storm will be
Frick. I know, I'm in a freaking tornado warning.
What's that FM station?
Oh yeah, and I gotta turn on my TV too. No, 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 no. Oh my god. Dang it!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for East Central Rutherford County in
Oh.
Tennessee. The National Weather County in Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. Central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee. Northern County in Middle Tennessee until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Oh my god, I swear.
50 miles per hour. A severe thunderstorm. Tornado
1KY, copy, direct, over.
Rotation 50 miles per impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Radar indicated roofs will be damaged or destroyed. Flying damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaging roof storm will be near. Woodbury around 5:35 p.m. Central Standard Time is likely. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include 5 p.m. Central Standard Time now. Other locations affected by this tornado on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Take cover windows. Move to a basement floor or share your room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Okay. Yeah, I am not in this, thank God.
Or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Yep, here it is.
Oh, damn! This said the history of producing.
Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Madison County in north-central Alabama, southern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, northwestern Morgan County in north-central Alabama, northeastern Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Trinity or near Decatur, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing damage in Lawrence County. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location.
Issues tornado warning. Well, here we go. Nope. I guess you could say this is a doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for central DeKalb County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Cannon County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:41 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Woodbury, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
What you mean?
Mobile homes
Sus?
will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
What?
This dangerous storm will be near Nashville around 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Nashville around 5:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, the National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Overton County in Middle Tennessee, western Pickett County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Smith County of the National Weather Service. County in Middle Tennessee, located in Middle Tennessee, western southwestern Lee County in Middle Tennessee, Putnam County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Oh, man.
At 5:44 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms are
Man,
located along a line
fix that.
extending from Minnesota to 6 miles northwest of Smithfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
Oh, what's up?
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cookville, Sparta, Smithville, Livingston, Salina, Gainsboro, Beardstown, Algood, Baxter, Doyle, Downtown, Liberty, Hamptons Crossroads, Baker's Crossroads, Woodleyville, Moss, Burgess Falls State Park, Brickman, Center Hill Lake, and Glenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Hamptons Crossroads, Baker's Crossroads. In northeastern Alabama, southeastern Madison County in north central Alabama, southeastern Morgan County in north central Alabama until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:19 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles east of New Market to 10 miles north of Holly Pond, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Huntsville, Scottsboro, Guntersville, EAS, Owens Crossroads, Grant, Skyline, Garley, Woodville, and Morgan City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time in the following counties in Alabama: